Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question 22, Part A. Write down the exact value of tangent 60 degrees. The exact trigonometric values for standard angles like 30, 45 and 60 degrees are standard facts to memorize for non-calculator papers. The exact value of tangent 60 is square root 3. If you don't remember value of tangent 60 but remember the values of sine 60 and cosine 60, then you can use the formula tangent 60 equals sine 60 over cosine 60. Sine 60 degrees is square root 3 over 2, and cosine 60 degrees is 1 over 2. So tan 60 degrees equals square root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. This simplifies directly to square root 3, so square root 3 is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.